is our superior vena cava. Remember that superior vena cava is going to be bringing blood back to the heart. Oh, wait. Isn't that cute? Look at that. See how it's pulsing on the side? Oh. All right. So we've got our superior vena cava here. Now, in the veins, you guys, there is a right and left brachiocephalic. In the arteries, there's only brachiocephalic. But in the veins, you have a right and a left. So this is going to be our left brachiocephalic. This is our right brachiocephalic. And then flowing into, now remember, I'm not talking about going out, from flowing into that right and left brachiocephalic. That's going to be our jugular, and then also our subclavian vein. Okay? So it's subclavian here, and then as it makes its way on over, you can see it's losing the color. Axillary, and almost like the farther you go, the more it's losing its color. But once it gets to the arm, that's the brachial. So sorry about that. It's losing color as it's moving further along. And then the jugular going up. So the jugular, which is going up on the neck, and the brachial flows into the axillary, flows into subclavian, flows into the brachiocephalic, and then into the superior vena cava. Okay? So not the other way around. You want to make sure you remember that. Coming off and going down around the side. Okay. The azygos. That's our azygos vein. Coming off and going down along the side. Underneath, you'll see this in several places. This is our inferior vena cava. Remember, it's below the heart. So that's our inferior vena cava, and it goes all the way down along here. So blood is flowing on its way upward, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here and look at the femoral vein, and I'm going to trace it going back up because that's the way that blood flows in the veins, okay? This is going to be our femoral vein, and then blood flows from that femoral vein into the iliac vein. And it's not right and left for the veins. I mean, not right and left, but it's not internal and external. It's just right and left. Okay? So we have our left femoral artery flowing into that left iliac artery. And then that flows into our inferior vena cava, so it runs all the way down along the inside of our body. And then the renal vein joins up, and it also flows into our internal vena cava and carries it on back to the heart. Now I know you have hepatic veins there. You don't have to identify hepatic veins. I just have that written in. Okay? So that's it. Those are all your veins and arteries. Okay. All right. And I'm going to let you get your cat.